May giyera na naman. Kaibigan, while we are scrolling sa social media, makakapanood tayo ng balita tungkol sa war na nangyayari ngayon. Habang may debate online kung sino ang tama or mali, may mga batang natutulog sa tunog ng bomba. Iran, United States, Israel, different flags, different leader. Pero pare-pareho ang iyak ng mga magulang. Pare-pareho ang takot ng mga bata. War is not just happening out there. It is the amplified version of the same anger, pride, and division that we carry inside. Yung simpleng ako ang tama, mali sila. Yung galit na hindi na-process sa mga puso natin collectively. When the ego scales, it becomes missiles. We call it strategy. We call it defense. We call it justice. Strip away the politics. It is still human beings hurting human beings. Science would tell you that ang ating pinakamamahal na planeta is about 7.4 billion years na. So kung ang edad ng planet Earth ay ikukumpara sa 24 hours na clock time, and yet, if you research, makikita mo na around 83 to 95% ng ating nasisira. Kaya nating tapusin yung sarili nating planeta, di ba? All of that is because of the collective fear of human mind that has passed down from generation. Kung fear ang dahilan, labang kasagutan. Before you choose side, let's choose compassion. Before you repost hate, post awareness. Real strength is not domination. Real power is not distraction. Real power is the ability to respond without hatred. Heal your inner war, so we don't keep creating outer wars. We want to heal our planet. It cannot start in the government. It starts in you. Open your heart. One love, one humanity,